Hey, what's up, guys? This is Profit Day Trader coming up through a list of the top 5 mistakes that new day traders make. This isn't necessarily for the more advanced traders. This is more for the people that are just starting to trade and get into this. So we're going to go over, there's definitely more than 5, but this is, I feel, in my opinion, the top 5. Number 1, they don't study the fundamentals. Big issue here. A lot of people get into this. They think it's easy. Their confidence is always sky high the first day. The first day to get in stocks is they're never more confident. They think it's easy. Oh, look, you just go up, you make money, you go down, you lost money. There's a lot to this. This isn't there's actually a business to this. It's structured. You're more putting the odds in your favor. So I think the new day traders don't realize that there's the business, and when they lose, they take it personally. They think the stock market is rigged. They think this is only for rich people. They're scams. I'm not a rich man. I make decent money off this mostly every day. So trust me, there's definitely business. It took me a long time to get through it, but there's definitely a business to this, for sure. Number 2, they mix emotions with trading. You need to trade like a robot. Trust me. If you start doing this and if you trade like a human being, you're going to lose. Like human beings make a lot of mistakes. They do a lot of things they're not supposed to. They do a lot of dumb things. Trust me. So do not trade like a human. You want to always follow your rules. You set rules. You don't put emotions into this. When you're done, you're done. That is it. Do not ever mix emotions with your trading. Promise you, I've went through it. It took me a long time to get the emotions out of there. I was treating this like a casino. It was not a casino. Again, there's a business to this. Always keep your emotions out of this. Always. Number 3, this is probably, I've heard this on many channels. I read it. I've watched other YouTubers say it. I didn't believe it. I didn't do it. I thought I was better than it. If you think you're better than it, you're not. Number 3, always use a hard stop loss. Now, if you're not familiar with what a stop loss is, the stop loss is when you put the trade into the system, you put a stop loss in saying, if the stock reaches this level, it's like a safety net. If the stock reaches this level, it sells it automatically for you. Now, I know people say, oh, I keep a mental stop loss. I make sure that, no, okay, that's great. Have a mental stop loss. Also put in the actual stop loss, because I've done it. I thought I was better than it. The thing drops a little bit, and I'm like, oh, it's gonna come back, and it keeps going lower. No, you put in the stop loss. If your trade kicks out, you're done. Your trade's over. I don't care if it hits the stop loss and goes up 1,000%. You put that stop loss in always, because I'm telling you, you'll have some really bad days, and they add up very quickly. So always use a hard stop loss. Always. The number 4 reason that I think that most people don't make it is they don't stick around long enough. Now, this is not necessarily an issue that I went through, but I can see why people would, because this is a marathon. If anybody's sitting there trying to tell you this is easy money, make $10,000 a week, they're lying to you. They're trying to make money off you. They're not trying to make you money. It's a big difference. This takes a long time. It just does. I don't know. I mean, just like anything else. If I was telling, that'd like me having a video, become a heart surgeon in 3 days. Like, would you believe that? Who's gonna believe that? But yet, there's 1,000 channels out there. Make $1 million a week. No. This takes a long time. Just like if you were gonna be a heart surgeon, it's gonna take years and years. That's what this does. I'm not saying you can't make money right away, but you're not going to make significant money. I don't make significant money. I make enough to live. I make enough to survive. I save a little bit, but I'm not out here buying Ferraris and boats every week. I've been doing this for a little while now, and I'm just now feeling I'm getting the hang of it. So please, I know it's frustrating when you first start. You lose big, you win big. I know it's frustrating, but stick through it. If you're better off starting small and being consistent, if you start small, if you're trading small, you lose small, you win small. But it keeps you in the game for a longer time, because if you're going heavy and you lose heavy, it's really disheartening to a new trader. I've did it. It's not fun, but please stick around. It is well worth it. Changed my life. And number 5, it kind of goes in with the other 4 This is not a casino. Please, please, please. I know it. You get your heart racing. You're excited. You have to control it. This is not a casino. This is a business. You treat this like a business always. This isn't a, put all your money on black, put all your money on red and hope it goes up. Like, no. There's a structure to this. I'm going to be going over a lot of tips and trick videos to show this. I'll be showing fundamentals. I use Thinkorswim personally. I know Thinkorswim isn't the best out there, but it's commission free. It's set up really good, like for day trading. So I'm going over a lot of videos with stuff like this. But please, when you get into the stocks, this is not a casino. This is not gambling. There's a structure to this. You follow your rules 100% of the time, always, because we will lose. And when you lose big because it's emotional. So please, please, this is not a casino.